Simpson 3300 2.4 gallon a minute pressure washer. As you can see, I don't need this one anymore. Comes with a 25-foot hose in the paperwork, a fresh oil change, and some pump medic. It doesn't have a wand though. As you can see, there's the water going through it. You just need to go to Lowe's and buy you a new wand. Like 49 bucks. So, because I need a wand, or there it comes with all the tips, and good to go. It's been used, I would say, 6 hours total. So that's why it comes with an oil change, and I'm asking $200 for it. Thank you.